Hi my crafty friend, my name's Elaine from Elaine's Crafty Corner, and today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous 3-flat quarantine fun folk card using the most beautiful Artisan sketch garden designer CS paper from Stampin' Up. It's quick and easy and it looks so impressive, but if you stay to the end I'll tell you exactly how you can get your hands on this stunning paper so you can make your very own. Right, so before we get started, let me show you everything you're going to need. So we've got our Artisan sketch designer paper. Isn't it just beautiful? I absolutely love this paper. We're also going to need some cardstock, black and white, paper trimmer, your adhesive of choice, your dies, stamp set. We're using the Exciting Times stamp set, the hybrid Stampin' Up pad, the new one, and the Memento ink. I'm using matte black dots, but you can use any embellishment. These embellishments are now retired. I'll put the full supply list on the description below so you can find everything easily, my crafty friends. So I'm going to turn the camera down now and we can get started. We're going to now cut the card base using our thick basic white card. The measurements are 10.5 by 14.9. Now I'm using the black basic cardstock, which is layer 1. The measurements for this is 10.2 centimeters by 14.6, and that's what you're going to cut. Right, we're going to now cut layer 2, the designer series paper. Determine the orientation of the direction of the paper to the card front, so you don't get, as you can see, that's what I've done here. The measurements for the designer series paper is 14.4 by 30 centimeters. So it's 14.4 centimeters by 30 centimeters. Here I'm just cutting off a slivering because it's just a little over the 30 centimeters. So as you can see, the paper is now in the correct orientation for it to be placed on the card. Now we're going to score our designer series paper. The first score line is 5 centimeters. The second score line is 12.5 centimeters. And the last score line is 20 centimeters. Using your bone folder now, we're going to fold along the lines using our bone folder. We're going to burnish those lines now in this accordion shape, as you can see what I'm doing here now. Hope that's okay. So all your 3 lines are now creased, and so now we've got this beautiful look. As I said, you have to decide which side of the paper you want to show. As you can see, I'm burnishing the lines. adhere layer 1 to our card base using our adhesive of choice. We're now going to adhere our designer series to the card base of layer 1. Trying to align it up now so that you still can see around the edges. As you see, that it's like a 3-layer card. It looks beautiful. I'm using the spotlight on nature dies, so I'm going to now cut with the larger circle in black and the smaller circle in basic white. And then I'm going to use my hybrid, new from Stampin' Up, to stamp my sentiment. If you're new to stamping, do not rock the stamp. Press firmly onto the card so you can get a nice crisp outline. Now we've stamped our sentiment, we are going to adhere the black and white die cut together using our chosen adhesive. Now using our Stampin' dimensionals, I've got black ones actually, works with the card. We're going to pop up our sentiment on the front of our card, making sure it's on one half of the sentiment, not all over the back of the sentiment, so it's on the half. So decide what that looks like before you actually put them on your back of your die cut. We're near to completing our card now, so I'm just now making sure that my dimensionals are on the half of the card, not all of the card, aligning that up. I'm finishing by adding my favourite embellishments to bring a touch of bling to my card. I'm using the matte black dots, which are now no longer you're able to purchase with Stampin' Up, but you can use your own embellishments. Tell me what you think of that. It's beautiful. As I said, you can add a mat inside for writing your messages, which I didn't put on there, so you can decide where you want to put your mat, whether you want it hidden behind your card. It could be left or right. You can place that mat anywhere you like. So yeah, but I didn't choose, as I said, I was just showing an example of that. I hope you enjoyed watching me make that today. Let me know what you think. Please leave a comment below. Have you ever tried a concertina from folk card before? I'd love to hear from you. The full supply list is in the description below, so you can find everything you need. And if you have not already subscribed, please do. Just subscribe to my channel to keep me going. Give me motivation, make me accountable. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you've enjoyed that. Bye for now, my crafty friends.